Welcome to the slow and steady video. The reason why I have this video is because slow and steady wins the race. It is true. If you take any talent and if you do it slowly, you will get better results than if you just do it quickly and drop it. And also, you can't just pick up any talent and get really good at it really quickly. There is such thing as called quick learners. Those people who actually are quick learners, they actually understand how to learn anything really quickly. The way you do it is you focus. You focus on a point or whatever that talent or whatever that subject is. And if you focus, you'll increase learning velocity tenfold. There's a book called The Talent Code. The Talent Code, it's really good. I actually recommend it, by Daniel Boyle. If you read it, it shows you how to be professional at anything, how to get good at a talent at anything, because all of them have a similarity. There's a chapter in this book called myelin. And what myelin is a substance in the brain that wraps around our nerve fibers. When you make a signal, when you raise up your hand or you clap or you walk or something, you make a signal to your brain. From your neurons, it goes through a chain of nerve fibers. Now, myelin wraps around these nerve fibers. The more you make that signal, whatever it is, the more myelin gets wrapped around. The more you fire up that signal, the more myelin. Makes sense. What myelin does, it increases strength, signal speed, and accuracy. This is very important when you actually talk about talents and if you apply this to piano. For example, let's say walking. Let's take walking, for example. Right now, you're probably a professional walker. Right now, you probably know how to walk pretty good. You don't have to think twice when you walk. You don't have to plan. You don't have to strategize or anything. You already know where to step. You already know, without even thinking twice. You can just get up and go. The reason that is because you fired that signal in your brain many, many times, and that myelin is thick. It actually increases the strength, accuracy, and the signal speed of that chain of fibers. Now, you could apply the same thing to music. Right now, when you play the piano, your fingers are not comfortable. They're not confident. You don't know where to put them. You don't know how to play or anything, if you're starting out, of course. Once you apply the exercises in my course, once you apply this course, and you will be very confident in playing the piano. You'll even notice the difference. Those myelin will wrap around these signal chains when you play the piano, and you'll get good really quickly. There's another book I recommend. It is called Tortoise and the Hare. It's a children's book. You might have heard about it. If not, it's a story about a rabbit and a turtle racing. Before you even read the book, you kind of get the idea who's going to win. Rabbit is a lot faster than a turtle. So when they start running, rabbit just sprints. It's gone. You can't even see the turtle anymore. But the turtle still takes step by step by step. The rabbit goes somewhere, takes a nap, runs a little more, buys a drink, runs a little more, goes, takes a swim, runs a little more, hangs out with some friends. But the turtle keeps going step by step by step by step. And in the end, the rabbit runs a little more, takes a nap, and while taking a nap, the turtle keeps walking step by step and eventually wins the race. Every time you read that book, the turtle always wins. Slow and steady wins the race. It's better to take piano, take it slow, take it steady, keep going every single day, play it every single day instead of play it really quickly, a lot, and take a long break. Play it for a while and then take a long break. It's better to play it every day, little by little, every day, little by little. Slow and steady wins the race. If you apply this, that myelin will wrap around and your signal will be strong, your signal will be accurate, your signal will be faster in those nerve fibers. You apply this slow and steady into piano, you will see tremendous results.